Selamat pagi. Satu etika di sini, bellboy tak ada. You akan naik. Dari sana boleh. Kena ambil troli sendiri, angkat barang sendiri, bawa turun sendiri. Itu something yang new lah kat sini. So, Niagara Falls dulu mak. Okay, so now kita nak pergi breakfast dekat Legend Bar. Let's go.
Studio, tempat kita explore, penuh tawa kasih bertahu tepat. She's Studio, buka pintu cerita, jalan bersama dunia penuh warna. Ingin kita explore, jalan bersama dunia penuh warna.
Ada toast, eggs, toast and eggs, cereal, drinks. We have waffles. That's all. Itu je. Toast and waffle as usual.
Mana siap-siap?
Cari meja dulu lah. Oh, Cik Billy, Cik Billy. Okay. Oh, $1,000. Benda ni. Ini dia makanan kita. Roti, cereal. Itu saja. Okay, dah selesai makan. Breakfast. Semua? Okay. Alright, kita akan mandi. Kita ni mandi. Come, let's go. Mandi, lepas tu kita akan gerak ke NYC lah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Kita dah all good. So goodbye Quality Hotel. Alright. So goodbye Niagara Falls. So mari kita pergi ke New York, insyaAllah. Selamat. Let's go.
Pasport tu dah ada.
Dah ada, insyaAllah. Dalam tengah mangan. Dah ada. Okay, so what is the review guys for Niagara Falls, the second day of our trip? Adik? So, suka apa sekali dekat sini? Again? The one and only, the falls. So, Alhamdulillah, and kids got a chance to see Niagara Falls even when they are small, before 12 years old. So, rezeki, Alhamdulillah.
40 years.
Yeah, me too. I have to wait 40 years, and it's like we don't believe it. Like we are here.
About half of my lifetime is actually half of my lifetime. I have to wait for to see the Niagara Falls.
Okay,
Half of it.
alright. So,
It's
Bismillah.
40 years.
So now kita nak pergi New York.
Until 80.
Okay, now kita nak pergi New York. We'll see, insyaAllah. Bismillah. Niagara. Okay, kita akan cuba tengok Rainbow Bridge. Target. They have Target. Why they have the Target bag plastic? Okay, this, kalau kita belok ke kiri, kita akan pergi ke Canada. Okay, tapi kita tak pergilah sebab tak boleh nak pergi Canada, tak boleh pergi. So kita akan tengok macam ni je tu. That's Canada. Bye bye Canada. Wyndham Garden, Indian restaurant. Banyak sini kedai Indian restaurant. Okay. So while waiting the traffic light, kita review sikit hotel kita. So kita duduk dekat Quality Hotel and Suite The Falls Niagara. Jangan silap sebab dia ada satu lagi, Quality Hotel satu lagi, tapi lupa nama dia dekat belah depan sikit. So it's just by walking distance untuk sampai ke Prospect Point ataupun tempat Made of the Mist. And banyak makanan sekitar tu, makanan halal certified pun ada, yang Texas Chicken, and ada few yang ada macam dia punya food truck yang ada halal. Okay, hotel is clean, nice. Cuma toilet dia biasalah untuk orang Malaysia, dia hanya shower saja. So kita kena bawa gayung. Gayung untuk kita bersuci kan. Lain daripada tu, I think it's okay, right? The aircon was cold, the bed was nice, the pillow was comfy.
It's just
Oh,
the
but
Wi-Fi.
the Wi-Fi is not good according to Danny, right? Can you comment?
Yeah, it disconnects like every
Few seconds.
1 or 2 minutes.
So the Wi-Fi is the problem, and also another one. Mummy said apa, Mummy?
Breakfast.
So the breakfast. So you want to tell what the breakfast?
Amazing.
Itu tak cukup breakfast. So breakfast dia ada 2 tempat toaster and also 2 pancake punya tempat, and then it's just basically pancakes and waffles and also toast. But dia satu dia lambat refill, secondly adalah dia ramai gila orang. Tak tahu kenapa memang ramai gila orang dan dia lambat refill. So jadi macam lama lah. Tadi kita orang spend about 1 hour dekat breakfast untuk dapatkan makanan aja. Tu pun makanan just roti lah. Okay, and then meat semua tak ada. Dia ada telur apa semua lah, tapi daging-daging, bacon ke apa yang korang nak semua tak ada. Okay, alright. So other than that, I think check-in process is very swift, check-out process is very swift. Dia ada ice dekat every level. Vending machine, dia ada laundry, $2, $1 for untuk apa nama tu, $1 untuk dryer and $1 untuk basuh. Okay, alright. So lain daripada tu, I think okay kot kan. Dia punya bantal pun selesa, tilam selesa. Itu sahaja. Alright. So now kita nak isi minyak sekejap, lepas tu kita terus gerak ke New York lah. Right, let's go. Kita berhenti dekat apa nama kedai ni? Seneca One Stop. Okay, so kita isi minyak dekat sini, insyaAllah. To fill up the gas. Okay, regular is 449, murah hari ni. So isi minyak kat sini again sama je macam dekat Malaysia juga, no problem. Just masukkan kad. Okay, lepas tu masukkan pin number and then you select you nak 87, 88, 89 ataupun 93. Ni yang biasa lah. And then angkat nozzle, masuk je isi. Okay, so dia price dia per gallon kan. Ni harga dia $4.49 per gallon, all tax included lah. Okay, dia murah. So ada semacam semalam 47, 48. Diesel still mahal lah. Okay, isi semaksimum mungkin yang kita boleh isi, sebab minyak dekat yang kedai ni murah. 7 gallon $34. So yep, all included the tax. So mau kita masuk, diorang tengah beli barang lagi. Inilah dia sungai Niagara, the river of Niagara. Okay, people fishing, anglers. Melalui gerbang keluar daripada Grand Island, Niagara River. Okay, itu dia Niagara River. So big, right? So inilah jembatannya, iconic. Semua jembatan besi macam ni design dia. Nanti dekat New York banyak jembatan macam ni. Manhattan. Okay, obey. Mines. Ni apa? Mines, ladang apa? Ladang pula. Apa nama tu?
It's steel.
No, I don't know whether is it steel, copper or what. Mine, gold mine maybe. Not sure. Ada ladang apa? Apa mine dalam bahasa Melayu apa?
Mine.
Kan, mines dalam bahasa Melayu is apa nama tu? Mines lah, tak tahulah. Ni first time dekat I-90 ni ada jam, macam ada roadblock kot. Tak tahu, tengok apa, ada polis depan. Kita tengok. Polis tahan apa ni? State Police. Tu je. Dia tu je. Polis tu tahan orang and suddenly semua orang berhenti. So US ni pun ada macam Malaysia punya perangai. Tengok orang berhenti kenapa. So apparently daripada kita cari-cari tadi, dia ada Erie Canal Heritage Park dekat I-90 itself. So kita akan stop. Dia lebih kurang dalam 1 mile lagi. Dia tak payah nak keluar. Just stop by daripada I-90 punya Interstate 90 tu, ke tepi saja. Ni dalam lagi half a mile. Kita tengok. Itu dia, Erie Canal Heritage Park. So kita akan keluar sekejap, dalam 15 minit macam tu, untuk tengok park dia pasal ada apa.
What was that for?
It's just a fish.
No, what was that? Head toward
The
I-90
Erie
east.
Canal
In 600
Historical
feet,
Park.
merge onto I-90. Take a
Just
slight
gonna
left,
see what
then
is it
immediately turn
about.
right toward I-90 east. Again, after that,
Macam
take
tutup
your
je.
next slight right. Abang,
Ni dia. Free admission.
you think Melon Playground should
Come, kita tengok jap what is there. Erie Canal.
Like specific items. What?
You're gonna park for a while.
You think?
So kita nak pergi Port Byron Old Erie Canal Heritage Park. Free admission. Just right along I-90. Rather than kita keluar ke circus, kita berhenti kat sini kita tengok because it's the same thing. Come, jap. So, kita dekat sini. Erie Canal. And the rope.
Why easier? What?
Come. Yeah, where's Malaysia? Yeah, there, correct. Correct lah. Put a pin. Yes. So from here, you travel to here. There, right.
I couldn't.
And where in USA you're from? Find it. Can you find it? Somewhere here. Medicine. Yes. Great
I
one.
know. I'm trying to find like.
Madison, first canal.
Okay.
It's 4 feet deep,
Under this.
right, right under here.
Okay.
We built a building right on
Uh-huh.
top of it. 40 feet wide, 4 feet deep. It opened in 1825,
1925.
so
okay.
it's 200 years old.
Ah, you see. 80.
And it was enormously successful.
Mm-hmm.
And we knew right away we had to make it deeper and wider. So the second Erie Canal is out at the end of the sidewalk here.
Okay.
And that was 7 feet deep and 70 feet wide.
I see.
All of them go 360 miles from Lake Erie to the Hudson River, from Buffalo to Albany.
Uh-huh.
And the last boat to go through our lock out at the end of the sidewalk was in 1917.
1917. Okay.
Yes. And the next boat to go through that lock, I shouldn't say it's the last because in December of this past year,
Uh-huh.
we brought a boat through that lock.
You mean into
That boat
oh,
right there.
okay.
And
It's
on
last year.
It's on its way.
Ah.
On the screen, yeah, on the screen.
That was an interesting day to be on the thruway because you could look over your head and see a boat going.
But it's not through the canal lah. It's not in the canal because there's no water
No,
anymore.
but it was in the canal. It started in Vermont.
Ah, okay.
As the boat started over here,
Uh-huh.
and then traveled down the Champlain Canal, and then across the Erie Canal to a town that's just over here by 5 miles.
I see.
So it was all in water until it got to 5 miles away.
Ah,
Then
okay.
we put it on a
Truck?
trailer, and we put it through our lock.
Uh-huh.
This is a boat going through our lock.
Ah.
Our short chamber, like this one, and it just fits in. That's what they were built to.
Ah. What is that waterway, you know? Yeah, ask, you can ask.
What's the use of this canal?
Well, it doesn't work at all anymore. However, its use was to be like those tractor trailers. The boats, those canal boats, could hold an awful lot of stuff, whatever it was, coals, wheat, corn, anything that was moving back and forth across the state.
Mm-hmm.
So it's essentially a big truck on water.
But on water.
Because
No.
people use the transportation are all through water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, we build another canal. So that's the first canal.
Here's my
Over here at the end of the sidewalk, which is what you can go wander through, is the second canal. And the third canal is the current Erie Canal. You'll see that as you go east.
Oh, you can see here also.
Yeah, you're gonna be, how far down you're gonna go?
We're gonna go up to down to Manhattan.
Yeah, so after you get beyond Syracuse,
Okay.
you'll see water.
Okay.
Wherever the water is, that's the Erie Canal.
Ah, okay.
It'll sometimes be on the right side, and sometimes it'll be on the left side.
Along I-90.
Yes, you'll be going over it,
Ah.
and you'll see it.
Okay.
And that will go follow you on the thruway, or you will follow it on the thruway for quite
Okay.
a while.
Okay.
So the Erie Canal was once there, and now is
It's
there.
there. Okay. Okay. Why do they actually shifted from here to there and there?
That was 4 feet, and they thought, well, let's straighten it out. So they changed this
A bit.
trajectory, made it deeper.
Ah, okay.
Sometimes they're in the same place, sometimes all three of them are in the same place. They just kept making it deeper and wider. That is our boat coming in the lock, and we were pretty excited about that.
Because after so long, at least 88 years, and there's another
From
boat.
here to here,
Uh-huh.
just fill that whole lock.
Ooh, it's huge.
So you fill the lock, and then they change to like, which one is lower? This part is
This
lower.
is lower.
Lower, and then
Yeah.
fill up the boat goes in, fill up the water, goes up, and then it go that way.
Now look at this guy in the yellow.
Yeah. Tu tengok abang, see the guy in the yellow.
He's an underwater archaeologist,
Ah, okay.
and he dove on 2 boats in Lake Champlain in the bottom of the lake to find out how to build that boat.
This boat.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we didn't know how to build the boat. So he dove on those 2 boats, and then over 100 times.
Ah.
And then he created these schemata that would create the boat that's out there.
This is like historical boat, is it?
Yeah.
Ah.
Well, I mean, it's only like
20 years.
4 years old. About 25 years old.
Very
But it's
interesting.
identical to the ones it used to. Now it sails. That's got 2 masts.
Ah.
And the reason why we didn't know what they all look like is because they all tended to go down.
I see.
Because the
Understand.
wind would come up and blow them right over.
Ah, I see. Understand.
Interesting.
This
Interesting, guys.
show you guys this when you go out. Let's see.
Interesting.
Okay, take a look at this, guys. Let me put it right here. This is one of the 2 boats underwater.
I see.
When you go out to our boats and you see the wheel
Yep.
is identical to the wheel was designed after this wheel. So that's the wheel. And it's underwater today.
Yeah.
And so that's the O.J. Walker, and then this is the General Butler. They're both sunken boats.
In Erie. In Lake Erie or
They're in Lake Champlain.
Lake Champlain?
Yeah. And so that told us how to build our boat.
Ah.
And so now our boat is here.
So people went down to study this boat and this boat to create that boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost
Yeah.
identical. Yeah.
Almost identical, not exactly, but almost. Smart.
Okay, seperti mana yang Ron menerangkan, ni adalah canal untuk laluan daripada Hudson River kepada Erie Canal. So Erie Lake. So dia bawa macam ada banyak lock lah. So dekat bangunan ni tadi yang macam dia cakap adalah asal lock yang asal. So ada lock kedua, bila nampak tembok ni nanti ada lock ketiga. So semua dah tak pakai kecuali yang last year dia kata ada pakai lah. So kita akan pergi tengok lock dia. Okay. Dia bawa daripada Erie ni Lake Ontario dengan sorry Erie Lake jalan sampai ke Hudson River. Area Hudson River. Ni, nampak? So that's the tujuan dia lah, untuk dibawa kapal daripada sini pergi sini. Sebab zaman dulu tak ada truck besar. Okay, belah canal yang asal. Okay, so dia kata if you look dekat canal ni, you nampak macam ada bronze colour or something like that. There's a fossil, so you can tengok. Okay?
There?
Ya. Mana? Tak nampak, nanti lah. Dan apa yang diberitahu oleh Ron tadi, dia kata kawasan ni, kawasan US kontinen ni, masa 400 tahun dulu. 400 eh? 400 is it? I don't know, masa zaman Pangaea. Dia kata masa Pangaea is a whole, when Earth is all the land here is like the whole continent before they spread. So benda ni bawah air lagi. So you boleh cari, boleh nampak fossils daripada punya batu-batu dia. This is the canal. So yang mana kapal akan masuk melalui sini. Dia akan masuk the lower part sana. Okay, lower part, and then dia fill up water, and then bila air tu dah naik, dia pergi ke higher part lah. So this is the canal lah. Old canal yang dah tak dipakai.
What, just some 2 walls?
Ya, dia cakap, dia kata ni ikan sebenarnya. Dia tak nampak lah the shape of ikan.
But wait. What was the fish
Adalah
called?
kapal yang dia tunjuk dalam video tadi yang lalu kat sini. Ni, I think this is a fossil juga ni. Ni lah.
Daddy, hotspot. So apparently this like...
So tu kapal yang tadi, Lois McClure.
Nice.
Dah 26 tahun kapal tu. You just imagine, kapal ni dia kata historical. 26 tahun. Kita we are historical, mami. We are 40 years old. In the canal lock. So they put the ship go through here kan. Nanti they fill up the water until it go up and then go to the river. Nampak?
Oh, wait,
Now there's no river anymore lah because it's not being used. This is the used to be old lock number 52.
Oh wait, so basically the boat will go in here and then they put in water?
Yeah, they go inside here, stop, and they put water until the boat naik tinggi. Lepas tu they go to the
There's
other
2
river.
walls.
So that the door closes. When the door closes, the water can be filled up, so they can go to the higher part of the river. Faham? See this structure? Sama tak?
Yeah.
Nampak? Sama tak bang? Tengok. Lock 52. Tengok ni structure ni. Ni sama tak dengan tu? Nampak?
Wait, so this structure?
Ya. Ni dia cakap tempat lepak dia orang sementara tunggu dia punya kapal tu. Dan the best part is, just imagine, kapal tu being pulled by what?
Water.
No, read here. The mules that pull boats along the Erie Canal. So mules pull the boat along the way. Nanti kau tahu.
Probably took like hours.
Ni yang keldai yang tarik tu. The Grand Erie Canal Splendid Monuments Enterprise Resources. Okay, so kita dah selesai. Kita pergi right on track. Go to New York again. Tengok Optimus Prime. This is the closest that we can get the Optimus Prime. Tapi Optimus Prime zaman dulu punya, lama punya. Dekat Circus sekarang. Kita stop sekejap. Tengok ni, jambatan lama. So kita nak pergi belakang ni, Salt City, because Mummy decided to eat here. So kita tengoklah mana ada kedai dia. Macam tadi tak jumpa. Okay, so kedai Baghdad tutup. Kita tengok kedai lain pula mana Mami nak pergi. Cari Mami, cepat. Circus. Okay. Kosong, semua orang pergi holiday for national. Dia bawa wheelchair sambil dengar lagu. Ni apa ni? Circus Landmark. Circus Landmark. Wayang. Tengok tu. The Lafayette Building. Ni Lafayette punya juga ke? I don't know, maybe. Macam ni. Sana tengok. Ni dia lah ringgit. Ni bangunan ni nak tengok ni. Tengok ni apa tu? Saint Paul Church. Macam tu lah nak tengok. Okay. Ni jalan kosong. Semua kosong, tak ada orang ni ha. Kosong. Macam bangunan lama. Memang bukan macam bangunan lama, memang bangunan lama. Smith's Restaurant Supply Co Inc.
Light, turn right. At the light, turn right onto Erie Boulevard East.
So kita dah sampai tu, Shawarma Paradise. Tadi kedai makan first tu tutup, so kita pergi second one, Shawarma Paradise, untuk lunch break. And then kita pergi ke masjid sekejap lagi. Okay, kita tak boleh lama sangat stop ni, nanti sampai New York lambat. Come, intas.
Sekejap, Chase.
Shawarma Paradise. Shawarma Paradise, Middle East. Go.
But what if there's no shawarma?
Muat eh. Shawarma. Milla. Shawarma.
Ayam mandi.
Hmm?
Kau punya ayam mandi.
Oh, dia jawab punya.
Tak mana tu?
Okay.
Ayam mandi.
Ini shawarma lah, bukan nasi.
Waalaikumsalam. Ni,
Salam.
makan apa?
She want rice. What rice ada?
Ni apa rotisserie chicken ni apa? There is.
Ayam. Do you have anything with rice?
Sorry?
Anything with rice?
Everything is fried.
Okay.
All these plates like cheese tawuk, rotisserie half chicken or whole chicken, chicken over rice, chicken kebab, all those.
So shawarma mixed meat. This one
Yeah,
is,
that's mixed with the butter.
but this one with the bread or with the
Ni ada rice,
Rice.
tu rice. Over rice.
Ni okay lah. Ni mix of beef and chicken.
Nak tengok gambar yang ni. Nak tengok rice. Nak payah guna
Bayar dollar je biasanya. Sebab kita punya exchange rate kalau be overseas, bayar kad kita pilih currency dia orang, sebab kita punya exchange rate lagi murah daripada exchange rate dia orang. Okay, so ni dekat Shawarma Paradise. Mami order chicken and lamb, dan dalam tu ada fries apa semua untuk makan lah. Portion is very big, dia kata, tak boleh tengok. And kita sekarang actually dalam lagi 2 jam, no, I think 3 hours to New York. So lepas ni kita akan pergi masjid sekejap, lepas tu baru straight away Sharjah. Syukran.
That rice looks nice.
Oh, ayam, kambing. Ya, thank you, syukran. Thank you. So ni makanan dia lah. Ayam dengan kambing dekat Shawarma Paradise. Bismillah. Ni apa? Sup eh? Sup.
Ambil ni kambing.
Okay. Chicken and kambing. Fries tu keluar kan? Abang nak asyik kan fries kan? Ya.
Kita fries sikit.
Kat mana? Shawarma Paradise. Sedap ke fries dia? Sedap ke fries dia? So, kita makan ni kambing tau. Besar kambing dia. Ayam besar. $18, $20. Okay. Bismillah. Nah. Bismillah. Sedap kambing. Okay, and kita ambil cheese, garlic. Nope. Okay, kita makan dengan kambing ni sekali. Bismillah. Sedap. Sedap. Kambing ni?
That is stretching it, my friend. Look at these guys. Their legs are so long and their arms go all the way to the ground.
Ini
Ya.
I mean, I get what they mean, but come on.
Tapi
proof.
Settle makan, sedap kedai dia. Makanan dia sedap, Alhamdulillah. So, jom kita pergi masjid pula. Kita tak nak lambat ni. Kita takut lambat kan. Let's go. Alright. So, kita sekarang berada dekat Sirkus Isa Ibnu Maryam Masjid. Ni masjid dia. So, masjid dia actually macam bekas gereja. Ni tengok ni. Mana? The Mosque of Jesus Son of Mary, Masjid Isa Ibnu Maryam. So bekas gereja dijadikan masjid. Kita masuk dalam. Ni masjid dia. Tengok. Wow, cantik. Masjid Isa Ibnu Maryam. Wow. Itu dia. Come. Masuk. Jom, cepat. Boleh ke? Masuk mana? Masuk belakang kot. Tak boleh buka. Belakang kot. Siap batu ada tulis ni untuk gerejanya dulu kot. So jalan. Kalau kat depan tadi ada gambar cross lagi. Sini ni, jangan. Buka. Boleh? Baik. Assalamualaikum. Tengok. Toilet. Tutup. Dah. Tu shoes kat situ. Masjid dia.
They're still not finished painting.
Wow, cantiknya ya Allah. Tengok tu. Dia adalah bekas gereja. Dia buat masjid. So nice, right? Oh, cantik.
And the smell.
The smell is nice. Come, tengok sini ada toilet lah. Nak cari lah ni. Sini kot. Sini ada. Tak ada. Toilet. Tu dia punya yang piano. Piano. Cantik. Ini tempat toilet. Tempat uduk. Ni. This toilet. Let me check. Kan? Is it that one? No. Ya. Ini adalah apa nama tu? Gereja yang di makeshiftkan jadi masjid. Cantik dalam dia. Cantik. So kan kita semayang sekejap lah. Ni oh ni. Dia punya atas dia. Sampai ujung sana. Cantik. Sangat cantik. Allahu Akbar. Okay. Masjid Isa Ibnu Maryam. Sangat cantik. Dia punya apa cermin-cermin tu masih ada lagi tapi ditutupkan kain. Belakang tu dia punya ada masih ada logo salib di belakang ni. Assalamualaikum. Assalam. Imam? You're the imam? No. Assalamualaikum. From Malaysia. Very beautiful mosque. Very beautiful mosque. Ni kalau ada nak donate, kita akan bagi QR kat dalam bawah di komen. Yang ni.
Just
Tengok tu.
behind.
Cermin dia masih ada lagi nampak lukisan Moses apa Jesus apa semua nampak. Nampak? Ada. Awak tengok betul. Tengok tu cermin dia. Bukan ada tu? Bukan yang Jesus apa semua tu. Ada lagi. Atas tu dah bertukar daripada cross jadi bulan. Okey, alhamdulillah. Dah semayang. Dah settle. Cantik masjid dia. Daripada gereja kan dibuat balik cantik. Kita jumpa some Islam brother from Somalia tadi. So nanti kita akan bagi QR dekat komen. Kalau siapa nak sedekah untuk pembangunan masjid dia, boleh sedekah kat situ. Right? Okay, so now let's go to New York City. Tak ada berhenti dah. Dia banyak, ada juga kawasan-kawasan yang tertinggal tu. Seram sikit lah kat sini. Kalau kawasan hood macam hood. Tak tahu lah adakah ni nanti kena baca. Why don't you Google?
Industrial cities, it's had economic ups and downs.
Dan bawah jembatan. Dah boleh ke? Dah hijau? Sana dah hijau, ni tak hijau. Kalau kena tunggu dua-dua punya. Ni bawah spesi. Sekejap. Okay. Dia banyak medical school sekarang kat sini. VA Medical Center, Upstate Medical University.
If you're near Upstate Medical University or the VA in Syracuse, you might have some unique options close by. If you're craving a bit of fun.
Okay, so Syracuse ni asal dia adalah bandar yang apa nama tu? Dia ada banyak salt deposit. So dia ada industri salt dekat sini long time ago. So that's why dia dapat nama banyak dekat sini, Salt Lake City, Salt City something, dan jalan salt lah, apa semua salt. So something dia orang pride about it lah. Tapi for now, kalau ikut daripada reference kita, which is ChatGPT, Syracuse ni dia dah jadi bandar hub for medical and also university. So kita tengok tadi ada Upstate Uppen ke Upstate apa nama tu, Medical University, lepas tu ada hospital apa semualah. So dia dah berubah daripada industri garam kepada medical and health. So okay, itu saja. So let's go. Tapi yang tempat kita pergi masjid tadi nampak macam rundown sikit. Tapi belah ni macam dekat downtown ni, area dia dah nampak dah okey lah, macam modern lah. Okay, let's go to New York now. Berapa kali dah kan? Highway dia lawa. Cantik. So kita akan ke arah selatan sikit, selatan dan timur. Nampak dia punya view dia dah cantik depan bukit-bukit. Kita dekat kawasan Onondaga. Cantik nampak view dia. Ya Allah. This is what I want, not just I-90 Onondaga. Ini dekat bawah I-81 South, Interstate 81 Selatan. Onondaga. Cantik Highway 81 ni, Interstate 81. Cantik jalan dia. Dia punya pemandangan kiri kanan lawa. Nice. Tengok mountain range. Cantik lah sayang.
I feel like if they made a cable car from down to one of the mountains, they'll get a lot.
Mountain range dia. Lawa. Cantik lah, ya Allah. Totally beautiful. Tengok tu.
It's nice and the mountains are nice.
Highway I-81 Southern. Town of Homer. Ada tasik. Oh, lawanya. Subhanallah. Ui, rumah dia belakang tasik je. Ada rumah tu, dia seorang je kat atas tu. Zup. Tu dia. Nampak macam dia ambil pasir. CNY Farm Supply. Belakang dia tasik lombong ah. Orang Malaysia panggil lombong. Daripada tadi cari. Dia bawa laju. Kita bawa 65 ikut aturan. Nak bawa laju. Mana nak dapat pemandangan macam ni dekat luar negara, kita dengar lagu Awi kau Senjana Merah. Kenangan. Tengok kereta apa ni on our left. I think it's a Corvette. I don't know. Or is it a Ferrari? Nissan? I don't know. Oh, Corvette. Shoo. Corvette, man. Okay, kita nak masuk ke kiri. Kita akan pergi kepada 81 South to Scranton. Still 81 South, tapi kita akan pergi ke New York City, Scranton on your left. Okay, kita pergi Binghamton dengan Port Dickson. Port Dickson, Nami. Pergi Port Dickson. Nah, see, nice, right? So just gonna go straight for up to 4.5 miles. Then we're gonna go right. This is going to Port Dickson. Port Dickson. Jauh perjalanan biar merentas dunia. Siangpur ataupun inhaler mesti kena ada. Sian ataupun Siangpur. Ni dah.
What?
Okay, sekarang dah pukul berapa? 6.52. Kita ada lagi 1 jam 16 minit. InsyaAllah kita akan sampai hotel by 8 minit malam. Tapi sekarang tengok macam petang lagi. Okay, so sekarang kita dah berada dekat Mount Pocono punya. Dah turun Mount Pocono. So kita akan straight lagi dalam lebih kurang 60 miles. And then kita akan keluar to Lincoln Tunnel punya area lah. Let's go. Dia bukit-bukit, bawah ni sungai, which is a river road. Apa dia, Delaware River bawah ni. Nampak tak sana? Belah sana nampak? Tak nampak Delaware River. Delaware River. This is the bridge above Delaware River. And we are entering New Jersey, my friend. Okay, Delaware River Gap National Recreational Area. Mesti best kan kalau pergi dia punya camping kat sini ke apa. Delaware. And now it's New Jersey, baby. River.
Yes.
Itu dia Delaware River, kawan-kawan. New York. So we can see Manhattan from here. Kita dah nampak Manhattan. Nampak bangunan-bangunan tinggi tu. Itu dia Manhattan, guys. Cantik tu, nampak tu. Manhattan. Looks like not the tunnel. Straight sampai Jersey. We are already at Jersey sebenarnya. Nampak? Manhattan. Jadi Jersey City Lincoln Tunnel. Where's the tunnel? Is it Lincoln Tunnel? I want to go to the tunnel. Are we going to the tunnel? Guys, Manhattan. Mana Lincoln Tunnelnya? Tak masuk kot. I don't think so. Oh no. We are not going inside the Lincoln Tunnel because our hotel is before Lincoln Tunnel. Okay, kita dah masuk kawasan hotel. Itu dia Best Western Premier. Kita akan stay dekat sini for the night, for 3 nights.
Turn left onto Patterson Plank Road.
Yeah.
Then after Best Western Premier NYC Gateway Hotel, you'll turn left into the
Cantik
parking lot.
This one. Slow lah, sekejap lagi.
So kita duduk di ni Best Western Premier, New York City Gateway. Okay? Alright. Okay, tengok tunggu dia siap. Okay, come, let's go. Mari kita masuk. Kita check in dulu. Dia bagi parking 15 minit saja untuk check in. Let's go. Okay, so kita dah check in dan kita punya bilik dekat tingkat 5. Dia bagi kita parking free in and out. Dan tadi pun that lady was very kind enough to tell us that ada bus apa yang kita boleh ambil untuk pergi, which is very cheap lah, untuk pergi ke Port Authority Station. So now kita akan masuk bilik dulu dan kita akan rehat. Ya? Boleh tap tingkap. Kita akan rehat for the night. Tengoklah kalau rajin Kang malam Kang, maybe nak tengok Manhattan punya view malam-malam. Kalau rajin tak tahulah. Alright. So let's go. Tap bang. Yes. Just wait. Ni kena tap again.
Ayalah.
Come, let's go in. Alright, bismillah. Alright, so kita dapat parking free daripada kena bayar. So this is the pre-parking. Tingkat mana dekat dengan pintu mari cari. Because we're gonna park our car sampai balik pun tak pakai pun. Dan kan ada nak keluar nanti. Naik bas ni je. Memang tu je cara dia. Yes. Kat itu pedih lah.
Per day,
Ha.
no, is 4 times 4.
16. Bang, cepat bang ni. 507 buka. Sekejap ni. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Kejap. Buka lampu bang. Oh, gelap.
Where do I put the shirt?
Oh, lampu semua.
Where do I put the shirt?
Ni dah bilik kita.
Where do I put the shirt?
Nice. Dia ada swimming pool. Ada swimming pool. Ada swimming pool dekat je dengan bilik. Okay. Changing room. Ada gym. So kita turun sekejap nak pergi ambil barang dekat kereta. Okay, kita sekarang dah sampai dekat hotel, dah check in untuk hari ni. So that's all for tonight. See you guys tomorrow for the next episode, yang mana kita akan pergi ke Manhattan Island tomorrow. Stay tuned. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Assalamualaikum.